welcome to my kitchen. Today, pasta, linguine piccole. So my favorite, Vongole. The English name is short neck clam, salad, oyster. So I'm gonna make rosso. Rosso means red with tomato sauce. So making Vongole oyster rosso, linguine piccole. Okay. So 1 chopped garlic, chili pepper, anchovy paste, olive oil, white wine, oysters. Tomato. Check how al dente. Super. Switch high flame. Boiling down. That's why in this time, this pasta, so texture is hard al dente, hard al dente. So boiling down together with sauce. So just adjust for the hard al dente. End of part. More olive oil, little bit. Making more rich taste and good texture. Check pasta. Good flavor. So this is perfect, but if you need more rich flavor, I recommend naan-pura. Use just a little bit. Today's one is enough salt flavor. Come out rich flavor already. It's done. So you must use hot plate. Heating up some hot water. Hot. let's start to eat. This is oyster Vongole Rosso, linguine piccole. It's a double rich taste from shellfish, oyster and clam, asari. いただきます。oyster。So oyster is my favorite in this season. Delicious. So good. So tasty. So this one is I'm just using tomato. So rosso means red. So I like another one. It's a garlic and salt taste. Looks white. It's a bianco. So I'm always choosing. Today is bianco. Today is rosso. So I really recommend rosso too. So thank you for watching my channel. See you again another time in my kitchen. Have a good Vongole. Thank you. Bye.